Hello, today I am going to show you how to connect Supabase with Android Studio. So let's start the main video. First, open Android Studio. Now create a project by clicking on New Project. Now click on the project. Here you can see the main activity.kt file. Now open Chrome browser and type this on the search bar. Then keep scrolling down until find installation. Now copy this line. Now go to the Android Studio and click on it. Then paste the code that you have copied in dependencies. Now go to the Supabase and keep scrolling down until find plugins. Now copy the plugins, then go to the Android Studio and paste it on plugins section. Now go to Supabase and keep scrolling down until find this. Now copy this code, then go to the Android Studio and paste it on the dependencies section. Now go to activity.kt file and write this code. Here write or paste the Supabase project URL. For that, go to Supabase then project. Now click on settings, then click on API. Now copy the project URL. Now go to the Android Studio and paste the project URL in Supabase client. Now go to Supabase then copy project API keys. Now paste it on the Supabase client. After that, write this code. Now go to Supabase then click on this. Then click on create a new table. After that, enter name and description and add or edit columns as you needed. Then click on save. Here you can see the table has created. Now go to the Android Studio and write this code. Then type the table's name on it. Then write this code. Now press Ctrl and S button of your keyboard for save this project. Supabase has connected with Android Studio. And that's it. Thanks for watching.